Why did I leave my monetized YouTube channel for 5 months?
A lot of people that actually ventures into becoming a YouTuber, most of them, let me say 90.99%, actually does it for the revenue that they generate through the YouTube partner program. However, what happened in my case, when I started my YouTube journey, I started making money on YouTube also, but there was a but, and this is a but that will always be in the life of every Muslims out there. And this is a good but, because if you're not able to recognize this as a Muslim and you're not able to, have patience and persevere at these times, then your qualities of being a good Muslim is actually fading away. A lot of you guys have been asking me why I've stopped uploading on my YouTube channel. We have a lot of series that I've pinned. Was due to the fact that I discovered that being in the YouTube partner program is not 100% halal, in which it's a mixed money, like it's a mixed revenue. So in case you don't understand, what I simply mean by mixed revenue is that there are two different source of income for Muslims: the halal way and the haram way. The halal is the one that Almighty God has actually made permissible, while the haram way is the one that He has not made permissible. For example, someone selling alcohol, it's not permissible in Islam. Someone selling all of these things are not permissible in Islam. However, all these stuff that I've mentioned and the ones that I've not mentioned that are all haram, not in any way should a Muslim engage or even help producing this stuff or even helping advertising this stuff. Not to talk of generating revenue from these sources of income. Now, the way YouTube partner program actually works is not that YouTube is paying you directly. If you're a Muslim and you're planning on starting a YouTube channel as a source of income, then I'm going to tell you that it is good as a source of income, but you should know the one that you'll be going for. You should know the source of income that you'll be going for. So if you're planning on going for the YouTube partner program as a source of income on YouTube only, or maybe part of it, then I will strongly advise for you not to. As the main reason why this has happened is because YouTube does not pay you directly. They pay you through the ads that people, the advert that people place on their platform. And, depending on the views you get, it will be the factor that will determine the amount of revenue you are generating on YouTube. Take, for example, you have 1,000 views on a particular video. So YouTube is going to place adverts on that your video. So the more your video gets views, the more you get paid by YouTube. As at the time I was still active, I think YouTube shares the revenue with their content creator, I think 60 to 40%. So whenever an advertiser actually wants to pay for adverts, so they pay directly to YouTube, and YouTube will split the money into two. So the 40% is going to the content creator, while the 60% is going to YouTube. But where the problem actually lies is the fact that as a Muslim, we must know where our sources of income are coming from. Every single thing we must know. If you are in the YouTube partner program, you might be unable to remove all these unwanted ads that are haram. So this way, as a Muslim, it is best for you to make a decision to close that part of income generation, because you don't want your income to be mixed with unlawful adverts people are promoting. However, this is not the only thing that YouTube is known for. You can actually generate massive income with support from people that are watching your video and are benefiting from the video. They can support you, and also you can actually get a paid sponsorship. So this way you can actually make money for yourself. However, this way that I've cited to make money, other than the YouTube partner program, they take time and take perseverance. So this is why I've, took maybe like 5 months off to actually, build a side income that won't affect me even if I'm to come back to YouTube. So that I will know that, okay, I have a source of income to support myself and my family while I'm creating video that I enjoy creating and I have passion for. So this is not to close the gate of, all the series that we have been doing about how to create a YouTube channel and how you can start making money on YouTube. Actually, one of the best ways is for you to grow without even having the money at your mind. If it is passion that you are going for, you actually grow much more better than focusing on the money that the YouTube Partner Program is providing. If you're actually going for your passion, this way you will know you won't be optimizing for keywords that will actually get you a lot of views. Rather, you will focus on what you really have and you focus on passing the value that really represents you. So guys, all in summary, I'm finally back and I'm back with a lot of massive value. I've been able to establish some side income to sustain myself for now. But if you still want to support my channel, as I have turned off all YouTube Partner Program revenue, I have turned every single thing off due to the reason that I've explained to you guys earlier. If you want to support and if you find any of my videos useful, I'll leave a link in the description that you can use to support with any amount that you have. Also guys, don't forget me in your prayer. You guys should expect a whole lot of value dropping, even if it might not be consistent at the first, but gradually it tends to increase as we start seeing sponsorship. All right. My passion for creating a YouTube channel is to generate a sustainable income from YouTube, as well as creating content that I enjoy creating. So you guys will be hearing from me very, very soon. I love you all, and bye for now.